welcome back to my channel, and this video is going to be about apartment tour slash what you can get for free, like all the stuffs in LSU. If you are coming to LSU, this video is for you, and what type of apartment you can expect in $775 per month. So let's get started. Okay, so here is the door to come in, and this is our 2 BHK, 2 bedroom, 1 hall and 1 kitchen. So this is our hall room. Ignore my cycle and this mess. Sofa. This happy birthday is there forever. That corner is for puja, and this is our dining table. So disclaimer, this everything that you can see here is for free. We didn't buy anything. This is for free. I got from my friend. This sofa we got from Santustai when he was moving out, and this table was also for free. Rekhadi gave us, and this mat we got from ICC. I bought this cycle, by the way, and that table also. So 99% of the stuffs will be for free, so be ready. And this is little Sue's corner, and this is our kitchen. Okay, this is our kitchen, and this table for free. And you can get, we got the microwave from ICC, little cabinets, cockroach spray because we are having the problem, and you get free you get fridge in the apartment, and mostly in some apartments you get microwave, but not sure. So these things. And let's look at our pantry. Little messed up, but yeah, pantry. And this is the way in between the hall and the kitchen. So here is room number 1, here is room number 2, and that's the bathroom. So let's see. So this is my room, and kind of little messed up, but can do. So bed for free, lamp for free, table we got from Adai, chair Rekhadi gave me, and mirror I got from ICC. I made that painting, but not my original. So these two are closets. That also I got from Adi, and like everything there, you know, like not my stuff, but this one, the frame, that's all. And that's my roommate's room. So maybe I'll not show her her room because she's not here right now, and I haven't asked her. So this is our toilet and bathroom. So that's it. And yeah, so what you wanna be conscious about before coming to LSU, and if you are coming to LSU, is that like international students can get so many home stuff from ICC, International Cultural Center. And me and my friend knew about this when our friend from Ghana told us about this. So we went there, and there was like utensils, all the stuff, you know, like all the stuff you need to set up a new apartment. So be sure to go there before you buy anything. And if you want to buy, then go ahead and buy, but if you want to wait and save a little money, then I will suggest like wait for some time, and don't like rush and buy the tables or other things, because the same time you are here is the same time like most of the students are graduating and they do not take their stuff with them, so they will leave it in the near the trash, or like they will if you know anybody, then they can contact and then give to you. So you know, make some friends, make some connections, and then it will be easy to get stuff. Yeah, it's that, like I was separating like 300 to 400, maybe more money for the house stuff when I first moved in, but it was saved, like most of it was saved, because we didn't have to buy anything like microwave and like mixture and dining table. I didn't buy, and this sofa, table, anything. Like maybe you don't get everything, but you should wait. And in Louisiana, I think you will get eventually, like you will have to wait. You don't get everything all at once. So if you are a saver, then wait a little bit. So that's it for today, and I really wanted to make this video early for students who are coming, and now is the time like when students are coming. So best wishes, and thank you for watching. Bye.
Falling to pieces in our room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm poking out my head through open windows, 'cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain, maybe you can do the same thing. You want me to say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen, and when it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. You want me to say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. You want me to say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we should talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long without it, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen, and when it happens, we'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, we'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, we'll be dancing on the lawn when it
क्या वो खावा बा कहीं है किच cute थियो के छ त्यहाँ मेरो मसिन कसको त यो त्यो पनि छ यार कति क्युट नदेख्नु लगाउँ भने कहाँ लगाउँ नलगाउँ भने कस्तो ती लगाउँदा क्या हो ये चाहिँ लगाउनु